Here's a 2015 Nissan Armada. When it comes to having the power, capability, and room to get you there with everything you need, the Armada is there for you in a big way. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: endurance engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory pedal settings, and heated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection finds there's just something big, brawny, and handsome about its angular exterior and raised rear cabin. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.